to the ground.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miz Sandy, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to make this DIY curly crochet wig from start to finish using your braid extension. If this is something that you like to watch, just sit back, relax and watch this video to the end so that you can basically understand every detail of it. So this is the cap. I'm just prepping my wig cap. So this is more like a frontal curly crochet wig. So I basically just use my sewing machine to just secure that in place. You can use your hand sewing method to actually do that. So I already cut my braiding extension into sections, smaller parts, and just you can just walk through with your discretion, like depending on the length of the hair that you actually want. So yeah, I'm using the smallest part of crochet pin, and I'm doing the single knots method for this. And also there are other methods to making this. This is also the split knot method. Overall, I made use of this split knot method to finish this wig, and then I'm making sure that I'm doing it in lines and sections, little by little. I know you might be saying it's quite stressful, but anyways, the total result was amazing. So I feel like this is actually worth it. So lovely, this is what I was doing until I got to the very top of the hair, like so. So that's just basically it. Just sit back, relax and watch this video, because I'm gonna be showing you how you can make sure that this braid extension is gonna last and the right method to actually coiling this hair. So this is basically what I was doing, the split knot method, step by step until I got to the very top. And then when I got to the very top, I made use of my ventilating pin to just ventilate it all the way. So that is just basically it, and this is how it's looking, the finishing and everything totally on point. So this is what you'll be doing until you get to the finished part. You want to hide out all those parts that shows that we actually secured the lace to the wig cap. So I already placed this on my head to actually get my actual hairline. So I'm just making this visible so that you guys can actually see the hairline properly. So that is just basically it. So you want to put this on your head and get your actual hairline so that you can have a right direction on how to ventilate this properly. So that's basically it, lovelies. You just want to ventilate this. And for the spacing in terms of ventilating, I didn't have any actual size of spacing because I wanted this to look as natural as possible. So I was really spacing it a lot. So you can just walk through with that. Make sure that your spacing is like, okay, you're ventilating one line and then you're skipping like 2 holes or skipping like 3 holes actually. And the end result was amazing because it didn't really show that the spacing was a whole lot. So that's just basically what I did for this the frontal. You can see how it's already looking so realistic, like as though I took my time to ventilate it. Like, yes, it took me quite some time to actually complete this because I had other things to do and all of that. But anyways, lovely, the total result, the total transformation was amazing. It was epic. You guys really need to see the end of this video because you understand what I'm actually saying if you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, I know you're loving what you're seeing already, so why not hit that subscribe button and actually like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and become part of this family. I might as well want to just hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So this is what I was talking about, the method that I used to making sure that this hair was actually looking as silk as possible, and also so that it was going to last very well. So I made use of my hot comb, and then I was just combing it in sections until I was actually done combing this. As you can see how the texture is looking, like very nice, like a natural yaki kind of hair, very beautiful, as though you can actually rock this like this if you do not want to coil it. And I feel like you can rock this as it's straight already, and then when you're tired of the look, you can actually coil this if you want to. So lovelies, this is what I was doing. I made use of my mega growth conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then I made use of my hot comb. Make sure that the comb is not as hot as possible, just to secure it in place like so. And then this is how it's looking already. I had to do this method because I feel like it was going to work well and make my coils last longer, despite the fact I was going to use hot water to make that the coils to like pop up and everything. So while you're done with all of that, you want to part it in sections like so, making use of your crocodile combs. And then I'm just gonna make use of my needle and I'm gonna make use of my thread to just, you know, coil that in place. Just keep watching so that you can see how I was able to use my thread to coil it. So I already doubled the thread into 2, and then I also from the 2 I made it as 4, like so that the thread can be actually firm and then it would not cut while I'm trying to coil it. So this is basically how to do it. So you want to just follow this same process in coiling it all the way. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video. I pretty much understand this from start to finish. And yeah, thank you so much guys for sticking to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to our channel so that I can become part of this wonderful family. So lovely, just keep on watching.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time.
So when I got to the front part, I just brushed it all the way backwards to coil it because I wanted the front to be straight and then the back to be a bit coily. So you might as well just follow the same procedures when you're coiling yours too.
Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the
So now you can see that we are already done with this. We're gonna dip this into the hot water, and to do this, to make this coils to like last longer, I'm gonna make use of my Ella mentholated conditioner, and I'm just gonna add few drops to my hot water and stir it until it is dissolved already. And then I'm making use of this olive oil hair polisher. It has some properties to it that will make your hair soft, shiny, and you know, make the coils like last longer. So I added this to my hot water, and then I just, you know, make sure that all the products is inside the hair. And then I took it out and I left and I brought it out. And then I'm also going to be adding this spray. It is more like a hot spray. This is just to make sure that the coils is gonna last longer. So I just sprayed little amounts of this on the hair from a distance like so. So that's just all you're gonna be doing. And then I left this to dry. I left this to dry on its own, and this is the next day, and this is how the coil is looking like. I already went ahead to like add my elastic band just for extra security, extra security, you understand, so that it can be secured to my hair. Okay, so lovely. This I added I also used my lacing that is made from scratch. If you want to see how I made this lacing, do comment in the comment section, and then I'll make a video on how you can make your lacing by yourself. So this is it, lovelies. I'm just, you know, taking out the coils like so by cutting the thread off, and this is how it is looking like. The result is amazing, as you can see, lovelies. I actually told you guys it was gonna look amazing, and this is the result. Very, very beautiful, looking as though it's a luxury hair. So lovelies, let me know what you think about this video, and also stick around so that I can see how this hair is looking on my head. Okay, this is it on the mannequin, looking beautiful, but you also want to see how it looks like on a real human. All right. So lovelies, I'm just gonna put this on my hair so that you guys can see the beauty of this creation. And this is it, lovelies. Very beautiful. Let me know what you think about this video by smashing that like button, and also let me know by, you know, stating your comments, your thoughts on the comment section. And that's it, lovelies. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.